So today we'll try to see how to deploy our Django project in cPanel. So cPanel এ কিভাবে Django কে আমাদের deploy করা যায় ওটা দেখা try করব. So let's start. So first of all we need to just zip our file. So this is my folder where my Django project is holding. So this is the folder landing page, and this is our uh, project folder, and this is inner project. So so let's okay. So if we just write dir, then we can see all the directory that in this directory, Django slash landing page. So I just on my laptop, so it's a little bit slower. So just wait a second. Okay. So, okay. So we have we find the landing page dot backend. So আমরা landing page backend যেটা আছে ওটা আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি. So we need to in the landing page. So just write cd মানে change directory অর্থাৎ change directory করব কাকে landing page dot backend. Okay, so now if we write again dir, then we'll see the manage.py. So we all know using manage.py we uh, run our Django project. So write python manage.py run server. So run server এর মাধ্যমে actually হচ্ছে আমাদের প্রজেক্টটাকে রান করাই. So just click. So I'll try to explain the things in English and Bangla. So yeah, for everyone. So let's see. Landing page. So now time for deploy in Django. Deploy করব. So first of all, we need to zip it. Okay. So just um, add to archive, and we can select the zip and just okay. So we find the zip version of landing page. Then we need to log in the cPanel. What you need to do, just interface or home section we can say, and then just click the upload section, and it will. So we got the user interface file, and let's select the file. It's in the Python lover Django. So landing page. Okay, so maybe it's okay, selecting. So it's done actually 100%. So এটা আমাদের হয়ে গেছে. So let's go back to the home page. So if we just refresh it for a number of time, then we can see it. It's still not in our home section. So okay, so I think we need to upload it again. Let's upload it again. Oh, it's actually in, but it's not showing. Why? Okay, so at last we find it because of uploading a file. It takes some time. So yeah, we need to refresh the page for a number of time, then we will see the file. So let's extract it. So I'm going to extract করে ফেলি in this directory. So we need to extract this file in the directory and wait a little bit time. So yeah, it's done. So this is our project folder landing page, and this is our project name landing page.backend. So this is the main folder, and it is the inner folder. Okay, fine. Okay, so first thing that we need to do, that is we need to create a Python application in C. Just click on here, cPanel file manager, and then search that search toolbar. So আমরা সার্চ করব হচ্ছে টার্মিনাল. So we need to search the sorry, not terminal. So আমরা টার্মিনাল সার্চ করব না, আমরা সার্চ করব হচ্ছে Python application. So let's search the Python application. Set up Python app. Okay, so just click on create application. So আমরা create application এ click করব. Now we need to define the version of Python. So we can just select the latest version. So আমরা latest versionটা select করব 3.9.20. So just you can select 3.9.2 or you can select this one also. So you can select this one also. So I'm selecting this one 11.3.11.10. And what is our application root? So application root is like so let's duplicate the tab. Okay, so click on cPanel, or we can right here file manager. After in the file manager, just click the landing page and click the backend or your project name. Then just copy this path and paste it here. And you need to select the application URL. So if you have the multiple, then you can select your ones, and everything will be at it as it is. And then just create just click the create button. আমরা এখন সবকিছু ঠিকঠাক থাকবে। জাস্ট এখানে হচ্ছে আমাদের অ্যাপ্লিকেশন ইউআরএলটা দিয়ে দেব। এখানে হচ্ছে আমরা so we are facing a problem that is land direct should not contain any space. So just we need to rename the folder actually. So let's rename the folder. Uh, just click the landing page, then rename. We can just add an underscore here. Okay, fine. So then here আমরা এখানে জাস্ট একটা আন্ডারস্কোর অ্যাড করে দিচ্ছি, কারণ হচ্ছে আমাদের একটা এরর দেখাচ্ছিল যে ডাইরেক্টরি শুড নট কন্টেন স্পেস, মানে স্পেস যেন কন্টেন্ট না করে, স্পেস যেন না থাকে। সো নাও উই জাস্ট অ্যাড দ্য আন্ডারস্কোর। ওকে, সো এভরিথিং হোয়েন ডান, যদি সবকিছু ঠিকঠাক থাকে তাহলে আমরা আবার ক্রিয়েটে ক্লিক করবো। সো নাও রাইট ক্লিক অন দ্য ক্রিয়েট বাটন। সো আমরা ক্রিয়েট বাটনে ক্লিক করবো এবং একটু ওয়েট করবো। সো হোপফুলি হচ্ছে আমাদের পারফেক্টলি ক্রিয়েট হয়ে যাবে। সো হোপফুলি নাও ইট উইল বি ক্রিয়েট সাকসেসফুলি। লেটস সি। So I'm actually using my phone internet using hotspot. So for this reason, the internet is very slow. So actually, I'm phone থেকে আর কি use করতেছি internet. So it's খুবই slow দেখাচ্ছে. So application create successfully. আমাদের application create হয়ে গেছে. So yeah. So what we need to do after successfully create the application? Okay. So uh, just copy it. Let's copy it and paste it in a tab. Okay. So it actually successfully created when we see it work and the Python version, then we can assume that our application successfully created. So এটা যদি দেখায় তাহলে বুঝবো যে আমাদের ঠিকঠাক আছে। So now we need to just do some change in our uh, file. So let's go to the landing page. Click on the landing page. Click on backend landing page backend, and just so you maybe see this kind of file passenger wsgi.py. So this is auto generated file. Then just click on it and edit the file. Click the edit button. আমরা edit button click করব এবং করতে হবে। So now we just need to write let's comment this and just write uh, from landing page backend wsgi import application. So what's that? That is actually, so it actually in this landing page backend to this folder wsgi, and if we just try to edit it, so এটা হচ্ছে অ্যাকচুয়ালি ওই যে ল্যান্ডিং পেজের মধ্যে যে এই যে wsgi ফাইল আছে না, এই ফাইলটাকে ইন্ডিকেট করতেছে। So from this folder, we are just fetching this application. Okay. So uh, okay. So we are just fetching this application. Oh, sorry, not this one. Application, actually, application. And yeah, if we just write this line, then it will everything will be perfectly work. Then save it, and we need to go click the edit button, and here you will find a link, this link, just click it and go and write here terminal. So I just so just write terminal, and whatever you copy from the previous tab, so just click it, it will be copy and just paste here. So এটা আমরা কপি করব, এখানে জাস্ট পেস্ট করে দিব। সো এখানে হচ্ছে click the enter, and just install all the requirement files. So I have just only two, that's why I'm not installing using any file, right? We have a file, uh, requirement.txt. You can use this file, or you can also download manually. So I just need the Django and Pillows. Then so I'll try to install it using raw command. Install Django Pillow. Okay, then enter. So everything is installed in my terminal, in my virtual environment. So when everything is done, just go to the application section and restart that. Okay, so we are getting a problem, that is uh, our CSS is not uh, properly working in the URL. So first of all, we need to check in our setting. Let's go to the setting. Mm, Go to file manager. So we have this file manager. So go to the file manager section, click your folder, click the project, and click on the setting.py. So setting.py চলে যাব, click on edit button, edit button click দিব। এবং one thing we need to do first, that's allow the host. If we just write single quote, double quote, and write this star, so it means we are allowing all the URL. Okay, and we can also use so we can write like this way, that unique online.bd shop. So you can put your URL here. So I'm just writing as it is. And so if you have the static root in your setting.py, then your CSS will not work. So just remove the static uh, root and static file. Okay, so then just save it and refresh or restart your app, and then okay, so still we are facing the problem. So what we can do, just our CSS is not working, and that is a major issue in cPanel. So how to solve this problem. For solving this problem, go to GitHub, write uh, shown GitHub, write this, write like this, Mahmudul Haq Shaun GitHub, and then click the first one and go to the repository, and you will find something like that, Django media file problem in cPanel. Click it and click the main url.py and copy everything. Copy this to URL and go to your main URL. Okay, go to your main URL. That is our main URL, and paste it here. And whatever in here, copy this thing also, and just paste it here and save চেঞ্জ, ক্লিক দ্য সেভ চেঞ্জ বাটন। সো আমরা হচ্ছে গিটহাব থেকে হচ্ছে এইখান থেকে যেগুলো ফাইলগুলো দেওয়া আছে এগুলো আপনি একটু কপি করে নেবেন এবং এখানে এই দুটা দিয়ে দেবেন। দেওয়ার পরে হচ্ছে আমরা চলে আসবো হচ্ছে সেভ করে দিব। সেভ করার পর আমরা এটাকে আবার রিস্টার্ট করবো। সো আফটার এভরিথিং ইজ ডান, জাস্ট ক্লিক দ্য রিস্টার্ট বাটন and wait a little bit second and then try to restart the application. Hopefully now it will be work. Let's see. Yeah, everything is working fine and perfectly. So one thing you need to be careful, that is uh that maybe the two reason for this. So first one is if you write the static like uh, uh, if you write this line static file directory, then your CSS will be not working because cPanel automatically handle this static file directory. So you did not write this one, and in here CSS root you need to like write this way, base directory slash static. Okay, and you just change the URL. সো আপনাকে কি করতে হবে, এক হচ্ছে স্ট্যাটিক ডাইরেক্টরি ফাইল যেটা আছে ওটা লেখা যাবে না, এবং আপনি স্ট্যাটিক রুট হচ্ছে এভাবে লিখবেন, এবং স্ট্যাটিক যেটা আপনাকে লেখা আছে মানে স্ট্যাটিক ফাইলের যেটা আপনাকে যেভাবে লেখা আছে আপনি যেভাবে লিখছেন ওটা এইভাবে লিখে দেবেন, ঠিক আছে? আর আর হচ্ছে আপনার ইউআরএল যেটা আছে ওটাকে একটু চেঞ্জ করতে হবে। সো if you did everything perfectly, then cPanel will be work perfectly. So thank you for watching the video, and yeah, perfectly working.